Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to do text and speech on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is open up the TikTok app. From there, all you want to do is click the little plus icon in the middle of the bottom screen. This is where you make videos. From here, you just want to make a little short video, as I did there. And then all you want to do is click on the screen, or click on text. So just say, this is a test. From here, all you want to do, you can change it however you want to. Just click text speech. Once you click on it, it'll pop up.
This is a test. This is a test.
That's it.
This is a test.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and peace out.